If you're into natural remedies and exploring new ways to take care of your body, you probably know that rosemary and clove have a ton of health benefits individually. But have you ever wondered what they can do together? Today, we're going to dive into the amazing benefits of combining rosemary and clove in a tea. Get ready to learn how this powerful duo can help with everything from relieving stress to strengthening your hair. First up, did you know that rosemary and clove together can stimulate the production of neurotransmitters responsible for your body's well-being? That's right. They work together to favor and potentiate the production of these important chemicals. Feeling stressed out lately? Rosemary and clove can help with that too. The carnosic acid found in these spices is an antioxidant essential for your nervous system, which means they can help alleviate stressful situations. So if you're feeling mentally fatigued, a cup of tea with these spices might be just what you need to feel calmer and more relaxed. Another great benefit of rosemary and clove tea is its ability to improve memory. These spices can help increase blood flow, which stimulates the brain and promotes better memory function. Plus, they're a great natural remedy for fighting off flu, cough, and asthma attacks. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. If you suffer from bad breath or mouth ulcers, rosemary and clove tea can help with that too. They have natural antiseptic and aromatic properties that can improve your breath and help combat these oral issues. And if you're looking to shed some extra pounds, rosemary and clove tea can help with that too. By fighting gases and bloated stomach, this tea is excellent for aiding in weight loss. Are you convinced yet? Here's how to make it. Simply boil 200 milliliters of water, add 1 teaspoon of rosemary leaves and 3 cloves. Turn off the heat, cover, and let it infuse for 5 minutes. Then strain and drink. You should prepare and drink it twice a day, in the morning and at night. Just remember, like with any natural remedy, it's important not to overdo it. Excessive consumption of rosemary can cause adverse effects, and pregnant women and people with a history of epilepsy should avoid it. Clove-based remedies should also be avoided by pregnant women, as they can cause uterine contractions. Before starting any alternative treatment, it's always recommended to consult with your doctor to make sure it's right for you. So go ahead and try this powerful rosemary and clove tea, and let us know how it works for you.